Good morning, students. A warm welcome to you all in online teaching session. So, dear students, before beginning with today's lecture, I will request you all to kindly open your English textbook. So, students, now in previous lecture we have completed the poem Past, Present and Future. Now, in today's lecture, we'll begin with the language study. Now, in your textbook, page number 2, you can see question number 6, language study. So, under the language study, two grammar topics are given, that is simile and metaphor. These two are nothing but figure of speech. Now, let's study in detail what is mean by figure of speech and what is simile and what is metaphor. Now students, first let us understand what is figures of speech. Now a figure of speech is a deviation from ordinary use of words in order to increase their effect. Basically, it is a figurative language. Figure of speech is a figurative language that may consist of a single word or phrase. It may be a simile, a metaphor, personification to convey the meaning other than literal meaning. So, dear students, figure of speech is a figurative language. It may be simile or metaphor or etc. There are total 15 types of figures of speech. But in today's lecture, we'll study only simile and metaphor. So dear students, now here you can see simile versus metaphor, which means simile is totally opposite of metaphor. For example, let's see with the help of these examples and the differences given here. Now, first we'll see about simile. We'll try to understand what is simile. These simile and metaphor, these both figure of speech you have studied in previous year in standard 6. But in this year, again, the same figure of speech is there for you all. So, you have to pay attention properly to understand it. Now, what is simile? Simile is a comparison between two different things. I repeat, simile is a comparison between two different things. Simile use connecting words as, like, and so. Simile use connecting words like, as, and so to point a picture and give an example. Similes make explicit comparisons and a comparison between two different things. Now, simile means what? A comparison between two different things. Whereas metaphor is also same. A comparison between two different things without using words like as or like. So dear students, metaphor do not use the words, connecting words. Which are the connecting words? So, as, and like. These three words metaphor do not use. Metaphor also comparison is there between two different things. But there in metaphor, connecting words are not used. What are the connecting words? Connecting words are so, as, and like. Now let's see with the help of the example. So students, in simile, direct comparison is there between two different things. And also in simile, to identify simile, one hint is there for you all, that in simile, which three types of words are used? Like, as, and so. So these type of words are used in simile. Now, here in this image, you can see the examples are given. She is as slow as a snail. I repeat, she is as slow as a snail. Now, she is being compared to a snail using the words as. Yes or no? Now, to identify this simile, here the words are used. Like, which words are used? As. So, she is compared to snail. And which, to show the direct comparison, which words are used here? As. Very good. Now, another example is given. The dog smelled like an old gym sock. I repeat, the dog smelled like an old gym sock. So, the dog and sock, these two different objects are there, but here direct comparison is made by using which word? Like. The dog is being compared to a sock using the word like. Understood, students? Now, let's see the more examples of simile and then we'll proceed to the metaphor. So, you will understand the difference between simile and metaphor. Now, here students, another example of simile is given here. You can see here, this pizza is as cold as ice. I repeat the example, this pizza is as cold as ice. So dear students, here the comparison is done between pizza and ice. The pizza is being compared with ice by using the word as. Understood, students? See, the pizza is compared to ice. The pizza is being compared with the ice by using the word as. So, in simile, you can identify the simile by using this hint. In simile, this type of words are used as, like, and so. Understood, students? Now, let's see the another example of simile. So, students, here is another example of simile. My dog is as smelly as dirty socks. Now here the dog is being compared with dirty socks by using the word, which word? Yes. Okay. So here direct comparison is made between dog and dirty socks by using the word as. Understood, students? Now let's proceed towards the metaphor. So dear students, what is metaphor? A metaphor compares two or more alike things without using the words like or as. So dear students, in metaphor, there is indirect comparison between two different objects. But in metaphor, the connecting words are not used. And which are the connecting words? Like and as. For example, she is the apple of my eye. So, here in metaphor, indirect comparison is done between she, the girl, and apple. Okay, but here the words are not used. Which connecting words are not used? Like and as. Understood, students? Now let's see more examples of metaphor. So students, metaphor compares two things by saying that one is something else. Usually uses the words is, are, was, or were. So dear students, in metaphor, indirect comparison is done between different objects, two different objects or two different things. And in metaphor, the connecting words are not used. Which are connecting words? Which are used in simile, like and as. But the words which are used in metaphor are is, are, was, or were. Now your example is given. My life is a movie. Now life and movie, two different objects. So is being compared to a movie using the word is. So life and movie are different objects, different things, but it is compared by using the word is. Okay, so in metaphor, indirect comparison is made between two different things, two alike, unlike things, and which usually uses the words is, are, was, and were. Next example, there are clowns in maths class. Now here they are being compared to clowns using the word are. Okay, so by using this word, by using this type of words like is, are, was, were, helping verb. Okay, so by using these words, comparison is done. Now let's see the more examples of metaphor. Now students, let us see the more examples of metaphor. The sun was a gleaming pearl. Now dear students, here the sun and the gleaming pearl, the two different objects are they? Two different objects, two different things. But the indirect comparison is made by using the word was. You can see the word was. Okay. So when this type of comparison is done, it's known as metaphor. Indirect comparison is done by not using the words is, like, as, and so. In metaphor, the connecting words are not used. Which are the connecting words? Like, as, and so. Next, my baby brother is a cute little teddy bear. Now students, let us see the second example. Now in second example, my baby brother is a cute little teddy bear. Now baby brother is compared to the teddy bear. Baby brother is compared with teddy bear by using the word is. Okay, is a helping verb. So by using these words, indirect comparison is made, and it's nothing but known as metaphor. Next, my sister's memory is a camera that remembers everything we see. Now, my sister's memory, it's a different object and camera. But my sister's memory is being compared with camera by using the word is. Okay? Whereas in simile, usually two types of connecting words are used. Basically, in simile, only two types of connecting words are used. They are like and as. But in metaphor, is, was, were, these type of words are used to connect the words to do the comparison. Comparison is being done by using these words. Next, the car seat is a fluffy cloud. Now the car seat is being compared to fluffy cloud. Car seat is compared with fluffy cloud by using word is. Okay. Now only in simile, two types of connecting words are used. They are like and as. Only two types of connecting words are used. Whereas in metaphor, is, was, were, are, these type of words are used in metaphor to compare two different things. In metaphor, indirect comparison is there. Whereas in simile, direct comparison is done. Next, Custard is happiness in a bowl. Now custard is a sweet, is a dessert. Custard is a type of dessert. Now it's compared with the happiness in a bowl by using which word? Is. In this example, custard is being compared with happiness in a bowl by using the word is. Students, I hope you have understood the examples and the concept of metaphor very well. Now let's see the more examples of simile. Yes students, here are the examples of similes. Now first example is given here, busy as a bee. Now the word as is used, so it's known as simile. Direct comparison is done. Also the words which are used as, which word is used here? As. So to identify the simile, you can use this hint. If in a sentence, if the word as or like is there, it means which figure of speech it is? Simile. When like and as is used in a sentence, which type of figure of speech? Simile. Sparkle like diamonds. Sparkle like diamonds. Here also the comparison is done. Okay, so the shoes are shown here. The shoes sparkle like diamonds. So the shoes are being compared with diamonds by using the word like. So it's known as simile. Next, hungry as a bear. Now hungry as a bear. Now here also the comparison is done between two different objects, and which word is used here? As. So it's simile. Flat as a pancake. Flat as a pancake. So as the word is used, and here it's been compared with pancake. The two objects are being compared. Two different objects, two unlike objects are compared here by using the word as. Hard as a rock. As hard as a rock. As hard as a rock. Here also the comparison is done between two different objects by using the word as. So it's known as simile. So dear students, today we learnt two figures of speech, that is simile and metaphor. Now what is simile, students? Let's recap. Simile means, yes, simile means direct comparison, whereas metaphor means indirect comparison. Simile, direct comparison between two objects, two different objects, two unlike objects. In metaphor, indirect comparison between two unlike objects. But in simile, the connecting words are used. Which are the connecting words? Like and as. Which connecting words are there? Like and as. Whereas in metaphor, there is no connecting words. There are no connecting words. Only the words are used like is, are, was and were. Here also the example is given here. Bob is as brave as lion. Bob is as brave as lion. So Bob is being compared with lion by using which word? As. Second example, Bob is a lion. Now here also in second example it denotes metaphor, whereas in first example it denotes simile, because the word which is used here as. Now Bob is a lion. Here the connecting words are not used. Indirect comparison is made. Indirect comparison is being made between Bob and lion. Bob is being compared with lion by using which word? Is. Understood, students? I hope you have understood these figures of speech topic, and two figure of speech we learned today, that is simile and metaphor. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till that, stay connected, stay safe.